Hello dear students, welcome back. So my dear students of class 9th, already you got your holiday assignment. Here I am with the project work which was remaining. So it is mandatory to attempt this also. So my dear students, here project work is there. First question is here, prepare a character sketch or summary of your choice on behalf of taught chapters. How many chapters are taught to you? On behalf of that, you will select any one chapter. From this chapter, you can prepare a character or summary. There is no foundation that from the same chapter you will collect the summary. No, which chapter you want to select, you can. If you are going to write the summary, then you have to write each and everything. It means to say whatever is happened in the chapter, while it is on behalf of poem, while it is on behalf of short stories. So you have to give each and everything in the form of summary. You have to use main points of the chapter, of the text. You have to give the style also, in which style it is going to be done, and you have to take the content in a proper way. Means whatever you are going to be write, it should be proper content should be there. If you are going to prepare a character, then what you have to do, you have to explain each and everything. Means every platform where the character perform, how he perform, he or she, what acts he or she does, everything that you have to give. Another question is here, describe the social scene of the poem The Bengal Sailor. How the poetess Sarojini Naidu throws the light on the women's life of India with the help of colors. So my dear students, what you have to do, you will read the poem again, then you will come to know why the poet used so many colors to describe the different ages of the women in India. That you have to explain. For this, you can use whatever you want. One thing else I want to tell you, you have to use there which literary device we used. Intro should be there of the poem, then you will describe. So students, this work you will do in a file, and everything should be neat and clean. Thank you my dear students. So this is your that is project. Thank you dear student. Stay at home, stay safe, and keep in touch of your study.